November 3rd, NVIDIA pulls back, then bounces to 208. The trend was up. The October breakout was monstrous. It looks like a textbook continuation. So you take it and you anchor to that October 28th breakout. As long as price holds above that anchor, bulls are in control.
I'm in the mood for some coitus. Get over here.
I can't. I'm with my family.
Pick up wine on the way.
250 shares at 208. Stop at 198.
To me, I look at it and say, okay, this stock is in an uptrend. It gave me a low-risk entry. I'm going to continue to hold that stock until it breaks market structure. If it breaks market structure, fine. I'm going to move to the sidelines. That's the end of it. And that's my advanced decline line. What is my portfolio doing? Am I getting rid of those losers at the first moment that the market tells me to? That's our job. Listen to the message of the market. All I do is interpret the message of the market. I don't impose my beliefs on it.
November 4th, NVIDIA loses the anchor. It breaks below the October breakout VWAP. The average buyer since that event is now underwater, and the sellers take control. Out. $2,500 loss. 2%.
And where do you like to cut your losers? Where do you typically place your stop loss?
It's never at a percentage. I find those to be better than no rule at all. But percentages are random. The market doesn't care about your percentages. To me, it's based on the definition of trend. If it's an uptrend, I'm buying, after a short-term consolidation, I'm buying that higher high. I'm going to set my stop below the most recent relevant higher low. So as long as it's making higher highs and higher lows, once that higher low is violated, that's it. That's where I cut it.
Here's why this is the most important trade in the video. After that anchor broke, NVIDIA didn't recover. It fell to 173 by November 21st. A trader who believed in the stock is down 17%. Shannon's down 2. Same chart, same entry. The difference is one anchor and one rule.
I'm buying because I want to hold as long as the definition of trend is valid. If I'm a trend trader and it breaks a lower low, well, I'm breaking my rules. I'm not a trend trader. I'm an idiot for thinking that I know something else that the market doesn't see.
You don't have to believe in the company. You have to obey the chart. And every trader who survives long enough arrives at the same brutal rule.
The market doesn't care what I think. I used to be stubborn about the fundamentals that, how can the market be so wrong? Not averaging down, instead cutting losers. And anyone with any experience who's been around it a while will tell you, you just have to cut your losers.
And that was our 5-video Brian Shannon anchored VWAP trading masterclass. If you missed the first 4 videos, we covered Brian's entire trading system, going over all 9 of his trading strategies. In video 1, we covered setup number 3, Confluence, plus setup number 6, anchor taxonomy. Video 2 featured setup number 1, chase the gap, plus setup number 2, earnings anchor. Video 3, we showcased setup number 5, the true 5-day moving average, plus setup number 4, the handoff. And finally, in video 4, we covered setup number 7, a VWAP pinch, plus setup number 8, pivots, plus setup number 9, thirds. With this course, you are now an expert in Brian Shannon's trading system. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe for more breakdowns of real trading systems, and thank you for watching.